forecast. Good morning, Callie.
And good morning to you, Kennedy. Well, the next big thing is a prolonged heat wave that really kicks off today. High pressure is going to dominate our weather, not only today, but as we go into next week, with temperatures climbing into the 90s. Satellite and radar this morning, a very quiet start with just a few high clouds out there blanketing the Front Range. Temperatures already on the warm side. We're at 67 at the airport, 72 already in Boulder. Temperatures in the 50s and 60s up in the high country. Taking you up to Glenwood Springs this morning, a beautiful start with plenty of sunshine to go around, and it's going to stay that way through the afternoon. Our only chance to see a few strong to severe storms will be the far northeast corner of the state. Places like Julesburg and Holyoke could see some strong storms later this afternoon with large hail as well as some damaging wind. But again, those are going to be few and far between. On the futurecast, the majority of us stay dry today. We'll see a few high passing clouds along the I-25 corridor as we get into the afternoon hours. This is 3 o'clock, and a few of those storms out across the far northeast corridor. Otherwise, we are expecting to stay dry throughout the rest of the state. Temperatures today, that is the big weather story as we head into your weekend. We're looking at 90-degree heat here across the Front Range in the Northeast Plains, with triple-digit heat in places like La Junta, Lamar, and Springfield. It'll be toasty there, and it'll be warm in the mountains as well. We're looking at 80 in Aspen as well as Gunnison, 77 in Vail, and 88 in Glenwood Springs. Here in the city, we'll top out at 97 this afternoon, so a bit above average for this time of year. On the west side of town across the foothills, slightly cooler temperatures, but still above normal for this time of year. Upper 70s in places like Conifer and Allens Park this afternoon. Right now, winds are fairly calm statewide, especially here across the metro area in the eastern plains. Some gusty conditions at places like Aspen, down through Nucla and Telluride, but we're really expecting those winds to start cranking up after lunchtime today, and they're going to stay on the breezy side with gusts upwards of 45 to 50 miles per hour up across the high country as well as the Front Range mountains through late tonight. We'll see them relax slightly after midnight, but then they ramp back up tomorrow, and we're expecting another very breezy day. And because of that, red flag warnings are in place for the western half of the state, with those wind gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour taking us through the afternoon and tonight. This warning is in place through midnight. Temperatures will relax tonight. We'll get a little relief from the heat headed our way. 40s and 50s up high, with 50s and 60s here in the metro area and across the eastern plains. And then tomorrow we'll crank up the heat once again back into the 90s here in the Front Range, with that triple-digit heat holding strong across southeast Colorado. On the Super 7-day forecast, because of the high fire danger, we do have a fire alert today as well as tomorrow. Temperatures will be once again in the mid-90s here in the Front Range, and we have a fire weather watch in yellow there, and another red flag warning in place for portions of the western slope on Sunday through the afternoon and evening hours. Into next week, we stay hot and mainly dry, Kennedy, all the way through 4th of July, where temperatures will climb to the middle 90s once again, but we're looking at no rain in the forecast. A few isolated showers possible Tuesday and Friday afternoon, but otherwise we are going to see temperatures continue to stay above normal. It's going to be a very hot week ahead with that prolonged heat wave holding strong.